Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV this evening. I'm Shivani Gupta and we continue to get you first some live visuals coming in from Hyderabad, where Yogi Adityanath, UP Chief Minister and one of the star campaigners of the BJP, is currently doing a roadshow. After former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis unveiled the party manifesto in Hyderabad, the national president also held a roadshow yesterday. Now, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is doing the same. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also expected to make his pitch for the BJP ahead of the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation elections. Now, the way the BJP is focusing on these elections, as you can see, with their top brass and their star campaigners, has raised a few eyebrows. But certainly, the BJP has made it clear they're going to fight these elections in Hyderabad after the recent by-poll success in a manner that makes them real contenders. Now, Hyderabad, of course, is known for the TRS and the AIMIM bastions. But the BJP, even if nobody is giving them much of a chance, believes they can break through those barriers. My colleague Aneri is also joining us. She's keeping a track of the BJP's campaign. Aneri, tell us more of what you're picking up.
Right now, Shivani, we are here in Kukatpalli area, and as you can see, Yogi Adityanath campaigning here, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, and the crowd, the massive crowd which is here, along with Yogi Adityanath raising slogans against the TRS government and also saying that this time it will be the BJP who will win with the majority of its mandate. And also, you can see Yogi Adityanath also coming out in support of the BJP here, and also this only one word, and it's Yogi Adityanath. We have been seeing this triangular fight between the TRS, the BJP and the MIM. Well, this has been the GHMC elections where for the first time we have been seeing nationally campaigning here, and also the TRS has hit it out at the BJP for national leaders coming out. Well, we saw JP Nadda giving out a strong statement yesterday during his campaign, said that me, my family and my friend. Well, that was the word used by JP Nadda yesterday, hitting out at the TRS government and also for not doing any kind of development. Well, now we will also be seeing Amit Shah tomorrow holding a massive roadshow. Along with that, we will also be seeing Amit Shah going to Bhagya Lakshmi temple in the old city area. And also now you can see Yogi Adityanath, massive crowd here in Hyderabad, Kukatpalli area, where the GHMC elections are going to take place on December 1st, and the result is on 4th of December.
Right. So you can see that the BJP certainly is putting all its might as far as these civic polls are concerned. And why they're putting so much attention on these civic polls is really to get inroads into what has been either the local party's bastion, something that the BJP has not been able to break through quite efficiently in the past. And they've been mounting several of these election campaigns, whether it's West Bengal, it's Tamil Nadu, it's Hyderabad, and the civic polls are being looked at as a way in for the BJP. Just give us a sense also, Aneri, of how both the TRS and the AIMIM are looking at these campaigns by the BJP. All right, Aneri will be with us in just a short while, but as you can see, the BJP and its local cadre certainly managing to put on a show as far as this particular roadshow helmed by Yogi Adityanath is concerned. Despite the controversies around him, Yogi Adityanath continues to be very much a crowd puller and a star campaigner for the BJP. Let's also listen in to this conversation that my colleague had with the Police Commissioner, Hyderabad.